In 2005, the Prime Minister of Singapore announced that an outdoor recreation space would be created with the goal of transforming Singapore from its well-known description as a garden city to a city within a garden. Even though it already had a magnificent botanical garden, it was felt that such a project would raise the quality of life further by enhancing the greenery and flora within the city. In order to accomplish this, it would mean the building of 3 gardens in close proximity to the busy downtown district, creating one of the most unusual skylines in the world. With construction commencing in 2007, it would take 5 years for the Bay South portion of the site to be completed. Along with its 2 enormous glass conservatories and Supertree grove, the total build cost for the gardens was just over $1 billion. More than 6 million people visited in 2014, and today it remains one of the island nation's most popular attractions. Occupying a ground area of 0.8 hectares and with a total volume of 153,000 cubic meters, the cloud forest was designed to replicate tropical highlands that exist above 2,000 meters or 6,500 feet. The dome encloses a 35-meter mountain covered by plants native to this type of environment. Along with the world's tallest indoor waterfall and an indoor cave system, there are suspended walkways that go around the structure. The temperature inside is considerably cooler than the typical equatorial heat found outside, and with a mist that is sprayed every 2 hours, it makes for a very surreal experience. Being the largest glass greenhouse in the world, the Flower Dome recreates semi-arid tropical environments that include the Mediterranean, California, South Africa, South America, and Australia. The dome required over 3,000 panels of glass to enclose its 16,000 square meters of surface area and covers a total land area of 1.2 hectares.
涙がこぼれないように思い出す春の日一人ぼっちの夜上を向いて歩こうにじんだ星を